Here on gold. Today we'll be doing a bit of a forecast video and talking about higher time frames and how higher time frames are so powerful and that we should actually follow the direction of higher time frames. I'm actually quite glad that you guys are enjoying the gold forecast videos, and I got some good feedback with regards to them. So let's hop onto the charts and have a look at what we have. So on the daily, we now just around the 8 o'clock mark, yeah, 8 a.m. on the daily chart on gold on Friday. And what do we have here? So you can see for the whole week, you can count 5 candles here. So back to Monday, you can see that we quite bearish, so we're in downtrend on a daily. We got these five candles here that just showing a lot of weakness on the gold charts on a daily. Let's have a look at the 4 hour as well. As you can see on the 4 hour, we are clearly in a downtrend. So when we see price moving in this way on a higher time frame, it's a strong indication that price is bearish. So if we get a sign that price wants to go up on a lower time frame, it's not as strong as the higher time frames story. So what the higher time frame is telling us is a lot more stronger. That's why I say higher time frame is king. So here we are on the 1 hour. We do have a downtrend, but as you can see, our protocols say that once our trend line breaks with a bracing and an explosive move away, breaking through the trend line, we can draw in our demand zone. And this is what I want to talk about, drawing in weak zones. So this, in my eyes, was a weak demand zone because all our higher time frames are in a downtrend. So our little 1 hour demand zone, thinking that price is going to react from our lower time frame demand zone and react, is is not enough. It's not sufficient. Price wants to go in upward direction, but not yet, according to our higher time frames. So it's quite important to trade with the trend. If we draw a demand zone here, we would want to obviously take buy positions. But if all three of our higher time frame, our daily 4 hour and 1 hour is all to the downside, there's no way that our little demand zone, which is actually weak, is going to hold that price strength. So I just wanted to speak a little bit about that. At the moment, no trades for me on gold. I did draw this demand zone, but I did not take any trades. As you can see, there's some emotional wicks here. I say emotional wicks because it's probably because of news. I don't really trade the fundamentals. I don't look at much fundamentals. All my trades are purely based on price action and what the candlesticks give us. So yeah, Friday, nothing on gold. Price looks a bit bearish and no supply zones for me to draw in. So no trades for us. Um, yeah, I just hope that my higher time frame understanding of all pairs is quite beneficial to you, and hope you take it into your trading journey and look at your higher time frames first before you look at anything, because it's almost impossible to trade on your 5 minute and your 1 minute here when when your trends are so bearish on all higher time frames. So yeah, that's a little bit of a video for me, and I'll see you guys on the next one.